everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious chicken omelette, and these are the things I'm going to use: 4 eggs, olive, green bell pepper or capsicum, onion, carrot, green chili. Chicken I cut into small pieces, pepper jack cheese, cheddar cheese, unsalted butter, olive oil, salt and black pepper. And without wasting any time, let's get started. And we're going to use the salt to taste and black pepper to taste. Now we're going to beat it well. Once it's nicely beaten, we'll take this one to gas and we're going to make a chicken omelette. Start gas. Get a fry pan. Add olive oil. Add butter. As the butter starts to melt, we'll add onion, bell pepper, carrot, olive, green chili. Mix it and cook them for 1 minute. Cooking for 1 minute. Add chicken. Mix it well. After adding chicken, we cook additional 1 minute. And now we're going to spread it evenly. Add egg. And now let it cook. As it starts to change color, if you notice it start to cook, any extra running egg, you can move your pan like this. Just like this. You tilt the pan on one side and let the running egg run on the sides. Once there is no more running egg, we'll add cheese. Shredded cheese. And pepper jack cheese. As the cheese is nicely melted, now we're going to flip this one over. It is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my plate ready and we're going to take it out. And let me share with you. Chicken omelette is all ready, and prior to serving, we're going to add some ketchup. Please try it, and if you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.